Hello boys and girls, welcome to Marc's Kitchen. How are you today? I know you're very sad because you're missing English, so today we're going to have an English cooking lesson. What are we going to make? Today we're going to make what's called lemon curd. What's lemon curd? Well, this is a picture. Lemon curd is like a thick jam, like groovy jam. It's a very popular jam in the United Kingdom and in Ireland, particularly when you put it on toast or when you put it on your pancakes. And I hope if you get some help with your mummy or daddy that you will be able to have some of this yummy lemon curd. First, we're going to look at the ingredients. What is ingredients? Składniki. So, because it's lemon curd, of course, we need some, what are these? Lemons! And we have 1, 2, 3 lemons. And we're going to wash these. Of course, before Marc came into the kitchen, what did he do? He washed his hands. So of course, we know it's important to wash our hands. And if you have a nice, what's this called? I know you're going to say fartuk, apron, that's good to have as well. So we have 3 lemons, which I'm going to wash in a moment. And we have this. Now we all know, boys and girls, what is masło po angielsku? Butter! And we have 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 3, what are these? Very difficult. Jajka po angielsku. Eggs! We have 3 eggs. And of course we need some sugar. Okay, so first of all, what am I going to do? I'm going to wash the lemons. Okay, so now I've washed the lemons, and the next thing we're going to do is grate the lemons. Now, boys and girls, probably you remember when we made our cornflake, let's call them babeczki, we had to grate the chocolate. So here I have my lemon again. We have a grater, and I have my, what's this called? A knife. So we take the end of the lemon, like this. So there's no end of the lemon here or here. Then I slice it in the middle. And the next thing we're going to do is to grate the lemon. Now, maybe you will need your mummy or daddy to help you because it's very easy to maybe cut your finger. But I'm sure you can do this. Okay? So we have to get all the skin of the lemon onto the plate. Okay, it's time to start working. Now, boys and girls, you can see we've grated the lemons and there is a very nice smell from them. So all nice in little small pieces. So we've grated the lemons. The next thing we have to do is squeeze the lemons. Now maybe some of you remember what this is called. It's a very funny word. It's called in Polish, squeeze is ciskać. It's a very nice word. So we have squeeze, to squeeze the lemons, and this is a squeezer. So we have to squeeze the lemons to get the lemon juice. So that's the next part that we have to do, is to squeeze the lemons. Now we have squeezed our lemons and we have very yummy lemon juice. So with our lemon skin and our lemon juice, we put it here. And the next part is to mix the sugar and the butter. So here we have 200 grams of sugar and 75 grams of jak se nazywa po angielsku masło? It's easy. 3, 2, 1, butter. Over here I have it's bardzo trudne, a pot. And this is not difficult, boys and girls, a spoon. So we have to put the sugar and the butter together. And over here, we're going to put the butter and the sugar on the cooker. Now at this point, you may need mommy or daddy to help you because you don't want to get burnt. So if mommy or daddy puts the ring on, the gas ring or the electric ring, on a very low heat, then you can help to stir the butter and sugar until it's all mixed together. Well, what do we do next? You see we have melted the butter and the sugar together. So again, you have to remember, boys and girls, to keep stirring this. The next thing that we do, we put the lemon rind, this is like the lemon skin, into the mix. And then we add the lemon juice. And again, we mix it all together. And remember, we can't put our fingers in and do this. Not yet. So here in the pot, we have the butter, the sugar, the lemon skin, and the lemon juice. The next part is we have to add the eggs. How many eggs was it? Three eggs. So again, I add the eggs to the bowl, but first I can't do this. I have to 1, 2, 3 crack the eggs. Can you do that? Or maybe mommy or daddy might need to help you. But moi wróbeleczki, I know you can do this. It's not very difficult. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Oh, I nearly forgot. There's still some lemon rind here, lemon skin. We have to put all of it into the pot. Now we have the 3 eggs are in the bowl, and I have what's this? A whisk. A whisk. That's strange. And now we're going to have to beat the eggs. This is easy. So we have the eggs all nicely mixed together, and we're going to add them to the pot. So let's check again. We have butter, sugar, lemon juice, lemon skin, lemon rind, and we have the eggs. And again, we're going to mix together. Okay, now this is a very difficult part. We're going to put the pot back onto the cooker. Again, you may need to ask your mommy or daddy for help. It needs to be a very low heat. But the problem is, if you don't keep mixing it, you're going to have what's called scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs, jak se nazywa po polsku? Jajecznica. And if you have scrambled eggs and lemons together, it will not work. So this point here, we have to look and we have to stir, stir and stir. So it's time to get to work. Now, a low heat. If we come over here, I will show you on my nice cooker what is a low heat. Now we have a nice low heat here. We have everything together in the pot. I'm going to put the pot on the ring. And now, boys and girls, this is when we have to remember to mix, mix, mix until everything in here will start to get a little thick, grube. Okay. Now, boys and girls, mummies and daddies, you will see that our mix has got a little bit thicker. Now, I must say, there's a very nice smell from that. But I have to tell you that stirring this, I've been doing this for around 15 minutes. And you have to keep stirring and stirring, so it's very important, so that we won't have scrambled eggs. So I know, again, mommy and daddies, you'll probably have to step in to help, but I'm sure the boys and girls will be able to do this if you promise them that they can have a little taste before we put the mix, the jam, into the jars. So what we do is we put the mix into the jars. Now you can see that, I forgot to ask you a question. What are these called in English? They're called jars. So we put our lemon mix into the jars. We put the cap on. And now we go to the lodówka. What is lodówka in English? 3, 2, 1. The fridge. So we keep the mix in the fridge. But we have to remember the mix stays in the fridge, but only for 1 week because of the eggs. But I'm sure you may use it before 1 week. And when it's cool, it's very nice to use on, as I mentioned, toast or naleśniki crepes. But before I put my jars into the fridge, I have to see, boys and girls, is this yummy yummy? 3, 2, 1. It is bardzo yummy yummy. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoy your kitchen lesson. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.